Hello guys, welcome to Design Art Studio. Today we are going to create a brush effect fashion sale banner designing in Affinity Designer. So let's begin. Take a document of 1000 by 1000 pixels, selecting a rectangle tool, creating a square. I'm going to add some noise. I'm adding it up to 24%. You can add as per your requirement. I'm keeping it in a white background. Now as it is a banner of some fashion sale, so I'm going to use an image that is related to fashion. So I'm dragging that image into my design and adjusting my design here. As I am in design persona mode right now, I have to switch it to the pixel persona mode because my brush will be enabled there. So I'm going to adjusting that image and that's good. Adjusting it. This is, I think, perfect now. Now I'm going to pixel persona mode. The brush is here, paint brush tool, selecting that and select the dense green brush and using that brush effect on my design. Now here you can use your own creativity. Like I'm starting from the edge of the image. It's all up to you how you can use that brush effect in your design. I'm starting it here and I'll fill that wrist part of the design on the left hand side. Filling it. Fill it properly. Fill it, fill it, fill it, fill it. Okay, after filling that, I will use a filter which is invert filter on that brush effect. On the pixel layer, I'll use that invert filter. Okay, I'm almost done with the filling. Coloring it properly, brushing it. There are so many options and brushes. You can use any brush you want. I use that brush. So now here you can see the option and go to invert. This is a filter actually. It will invert the color. I was doing work with the black color. When I use the invert filter, that brush effect is converted into white. Now I'm going to add some text in my design. So I'm using my custom made assets. First I'm going to add logo. Actually these are the custom made assets. If you want to know more about these assets, I have given the link in description. Now I'm going to add another text and changing it to the fashion, resizing that. All text is according to my requirement. You can use the text as per your requirement. Fashion week, I'm using text here. I'm going to add some more text, placing it above the fashion week. I'm going to change the color. You can play with your colors also. Adjusting that text. text font size, or it's all up to you how and which font size you want and which fonts you want. You can change the font name also. Resizing the text. And that's good. Perfect. I'm going to add some more, actually. I'm going to add some sale text here. And now I'm going to add more text with 50% discount, 50% off. Keep it in black color. That's perfect. Now I'm going to copy that and paste it here using text. I want to give the website name here, so it's website, it's all yours website, of course. I'm just using the demo text here and keep it in black color. I'm going to add button for shop now. I'll change the color. Actually, I don't want color in that, so change the text. That's perfect. I think this is great. Now their text, 50% off button. Now I'm going to add social media links in my design. Adjusting that. You can resize as per your requirement. Adjusting design a little bit. I think most of the design is complete now. Oh, that's perfect and good. A little bit change here in text, and I think that button should need a little bit change also. That's good. Hope this design will be helpful. Please like the video, subscribe my channel, and considering joining my channel, or you can join me on Patreon. Thank you so much.